if a Christian goes and blows up a masjid, mentally disturbed man acts out, right? But if a Muslim does something, terrorist attack, even, when they had the shooting recently in Sweden, they even were questioning, is it terrorism? Like, what do you mean? Did it terrorize people? Yes. Well, then it's terrorism. But no, the question, is it terrorism, meaning was it a Muslim? If it was a Muslim, then it's terrorism. And if it's not, he just needed a hug. Poor guy. His mom didn't love him. That's why he did it. Not because he's Christian, not because he's white, not because European. No. But if a Muslim, even if he had mental health issues and could have never made a salah in his life, well, it's because of Islam and Muslims are bad, right? So the media bias. So now what happened is they would hide this news. But now with social media, people on TikTok and WhatsApp and, on their statuses and on YouTube, and even though like myself, whenever I talk about Palestinian videos, I get shadow banned, right? And that's why I hope the people, when they see our videos about Palestine, they'll share them to beat the shadow ban. So when the people saw this, it changed. Muslims woke up like, what are we doing? Look at our brothers and sisters and what they're going through. What are we doing, right? And non-Muslims woke up that why are my tax dollars going to this